Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure both devices support Miracast or a wireless display. This matters because protocols differ. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your Windows 11 PC, then open Quick Settings with Win+E and select Connect or Project. Make sure the TV or dongle is in pairing or mirroring mode and visible. You want Discovery active on both ends, so the next step, selecting the target device, works without delay. Don't skip allowing permissions on the receiver. You now go into Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Display, and scroll to Multiple Displays. Click Connect to scan for the receiver. When the target appears, select it and pick Duplicate to mirror or Extend to use a second screen. Choose Resolution and Scaling to match the TV. Lower resolution reduces lag. Make sure audio output routes to the receiver if you want sound. For performance, you can set app-specific GPU preferences in graphics settings. This helps high FPS apps behave better over the link. To finish, disconnect cleanly from Quick Settings or the display menu, and close any intensive applications to free resources. If video stutters, reduce resolution or scale, disable background apps, or switch the PC to Ethernet for a stable upstream. These steps reduce latency and packet loss. If connection fails, update Wi-Fi and display drivers, verify Miracast support on both devices, and temporarily disable VPNs or firewall rules that block device discovery. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most mirroring issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.